How's it going, everybody? Before I start this video, I just want to say happy belated 4th of July to all Americans. Coming from a Canadian, and just want to be nice. And if you're some, little bit of talking downstairs, it's just my sister and her friends. So don't be surprised if you hear, any talking or laughing or whatever, I don't know. Anyways, sorry, one more thing. It's hard to believe it's, 5 days since my birthday. Time went by fast. Damn, slow down, time. I don't want this summer to end, I don't want this summer to end anytime soon, okay? Alright, back to the video. I'm doing part 2 of reviewing the NHL goal horns or ranking them out now. This is a part 2. Part 1 was like a week and a half ago. I kind of forgot I did this a little bit, so I'm sorry. But, no, I didn't really forget. There's just sometimes I was planning to, but I just couldn't do it. Or I was too lazy to. Yeah. Let's get started. Left off with the Islanders, so now the Rangers. Alright, New York Rangers. I give this Hey! Sorry. This little stinker. Alright, you go on my bed, okay? Alright, Rangers, I give this 4 out of 5. I'm gonna show a little bit of the Suns here, but I hope I don't get copyright. Okay, Ottawa. Alright, Ottawa. Ottawa Senators, 4 out of 5. Alright. Philadelphia. Philadelphia Flyers, 9 out of 10. Alright. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh Penguins, 7 out of 10. Alright, San Jose. San Jose Sharks, 3.5 out of 5. Sorry, Dumb Nation. No, I'm just kidding. No, he's a cool guy. He's funny. Alright, St. Louis. St. Louis Blues, 9 out of 10. Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay Lightning, 8 out of 10. Toronto Maple Leafs. Toronto. Toronto Maple Leafs. 9 out of 10. Vancouver. No. Vancouver. Vancouver Canucks. 5 out of 5. Vegas. Ugh. Alright, Vegas. Oh, this is their old one. Alright, so Vegas, this is, oh, this is old. This is like November 2nd. I'll give this, I know their newer horns sound similar like Colorado, so I'll give it like a, I think I'll give Colorado a, I don't remember, I think 3.5 for this one, okay. For this, Golden Knights horn 3.5, just like San Jose. Washington. Congrats to Obi, by the way. Washington Capitals. How should I put this? 6.5 out of 10. Alright, Winnipeg. Woo! Winnipeg Jets. 10 out of 10, suckers! Woo! Alright, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Wrap up the Goldhorn rankings. Don't be offended if one of your favorite teams got the lowest ranking. Just my opinion. Go Jets, go.